said I'd draw this character now, didn't I?
It's where you'll always find me.
In anyways, this Bakugan, this is Bolcannon. Bolcannon is a member of the Bakugan MECHTANIUM Surge line, and when opening him, you must move the panels on his head and then move his head. You must move the panels on his back and move his head up to make it look like he's looking down on you. If you ask me, Bolcannon looks like an awesome character. I got it in a booster pack. And why'd you stop there? When I can just draw him in person. Let's get started on drawing him, shall we?
Let's rock!
Okay, when starting to draw a Bolcannon, you must start with the eyes. Then you must draw this part, another eye here. Drawing him kind of reminds me of Rubinoid. I'll draw him real soon.
And dirty socks, a sink, a table, and a secret box. Myself and me can be alone in the stone that I call home.
There we go.
Oh yeah, that's the chair I sometimes doze on. The hanky I blow my nose on. Hey! My favorite show's on! Under my rock! Under my rock! I guess that completes our tour. So let me show you to the door. That's all. There ain't no more. Under my rock! Under my rock! Boys,
there we go. There's his head.
Yeah, that's where we are. Still here. This is prime real estate, baby. Oh yeah.
Did you know that Patrick's rock is actually a turtle that overslept? That was really odd.
It ain't much, but it's a place to hang my hat. Well, I don't wear a hat. I wear shorts. I can hang my shorts there. I stand back and taking them off. Hey, where's everybody going?
Okay. Alexa, what are nixels?
According to Wikipedia, a nickel is a 5-cent coin struck by the United States Mint. Composed of 75% copper and 25% nickel, the piece has been issued since 1866. Its diameter is .835 inches and its thickness is .077 inches. Due to inflation, the purchasing power of the nickel continues to drop, and currently the coin represents less than 1% of the federal hourly minimum wage.
Make sure to draw a few pentagons up here. Or should I say hexagons? Alexa, please Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
I couldn't find Heroes Galaxy Mission theme by Supertramp, but here is other music by Supertramp.
Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Galaxy Mission theme.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Mira
Drawing this guy is easy.
on Amazon Music.
spike here. There's his body here. Now we just draw the spikes on his back. Now for his fingers. When drawing bolcannon, his claws are just really huge. Hold on one second. Oh yeah, one more thing before I finish. You see, bolcannon has a special type of BAKUNANO. BAKUNANO are the newest toy line to the BAKUGAN line. Basically, I forgot this thing's name, but BAKUNANO can be opened by the push of a button and can be placed up and can be opened automatically. So, when equipping a bolcannon to this, you must plug this thing in, and that is how you do bolcannon fused with his BAKUNANO. Basically, Battle Gear has been taken to another level, and then taken to another level again by Bakugan. Hey guys, watch this. Alexa, what does DIX spell?
DIX spells dicks.
Oh man, did you guys hear that? DIX spells dicks. Get it? Dicks. Oh man, it's funny because it hurts, and it's funny because it's a guy thing. Okay, sorry I ever said that. Forget I ever had this conversation. That is just messed up. Okay, so basically, you just draw this part here, There's his lower abdomen. And now, we must draw the shoulder pad. Alexa, when did Steve Burns die?
As far as I know, Steve Burns is alive. He was born on October 9th, 1973 and is 47 years old.
I don't think we heard that right. Let's try again. Alexa, when did Steve Burns die?
As far as I know, Steve Burns is alive. He was born on October 9th, 1973 and is 47 years old.
I really, really hate that guy! I'm gonna kill that bastard. There are the fingers here. There we go. And that is how you draw bolcannon. Drawing him was quite easy. I'm sure the fingers were a bit too small, but you get the idea. And, for all you YouTubers out there, seeing this guy in action was a kind of fun thing to see. And I wonder when we're gonna see that Bakugan again in the show. And, possibly they'll do a reboot version of it as well. And we'll see more Bakugan in action, possibly real soon. And, this is for all you Bakugan lovers out there. Just so you know that I appreciate you guys being here. And, this Bakugan belongs in the top 10 Bakugan series, along with, DRAGONOID and Crowl and Vertex, along with the other Bakugan as well. So, anyways, I will see you guys again real soon on which character I'll draw you guys next. Till then, I'll see you guys later, and, till next time, Bakugan Brawl! Oh wait, that came out wrong. Bakugan Brawl!